Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is 6/13/2014. Just wanted to go over our trading from today. First, let's take a look at the Russell. The Russell we had open for us at 9:30 right here. A lot of chop. Remember, to take a short, we want the 15 below the 50 and retracement. We finally got it right here. Breakdown. Move up. 18 ticks. We had this move through a yellow 15. Now this is one entry that I just missed. This is a perfect C candle. Market was a little bit oversold, but I think it was worth the risk. And it really was a great move. It was a 26 tick move. After that, we had what really was a very, very difficult move to the upside. It was a big move. It started off on a red 50, which is difficult to trade. And these were all hanging C's that come way off the modified 15, way off. We just didn't get an opportunity to get into this long trade. But what I wanted to point out was all the people try to turn the market. They're trading oscillator divergence and MACD divergence on this B candle, run over. MACD divergence, oscillator divergence, calling a high, run over. MACD divergence, oscillator divergence, run over. This is why you cannot counter trend trade, and this is why you cannot call tops. These are the people that we're trying to exploit and take advantage of. We just needed these C candles to come tighter off the modified 15 to give us the predictive value we need for a successful trade when trading the right edge. We just did not get it. Then trading crude oil. We had our first trade here. I didn't take this trade because it was a broken pivot. The pivot broke. We had our move down. We had our retracement. Bam, 11 ticks. Auto trader, 2 targets. Then I took this break of the 50 and 15. 15 was red, 50 was red. Went for 6. And actually, I took this really nice retracement. And just because it's Friday the 13th and we already had nice equity, it came back on me 2 ticks and I stopped it, the trade, and then it went for a winner at +6. So I cost myself a first target and went out at -2. And then we had a scratch loss on gold at -4 on a really, really nice setup. And gold has been very, very difficult to trade. And what we're going to do is we're probably going to start trading the EMD on Monday. It's not a high volume contract, and it moves but it moves deliberately. And if we would have been trading the EMD on that big move up on the Russell, we would have had our conservative entry here, and we would have been able to go long. So it only trades 11,000 contracts, which I'm not happy with, I got to tell you. But and you can see it's moving very slowly right now, but that's just because it's a Friday afternoon and it's contract rollover day. And but I think what we're going to do is we're going to look at the EMD and take gold out. So for the day, we had 3 winners and 2 losers, but our losers were very tiny. We had 18 ticks on the Russell. On crude, we had 11 ticks and 6 ticks. We had that -2 ticker. And on gold, we had a -4. So we had 29 ticks, 420 net equity. Auto Trader had 1 trade, 1 winner, and the Auto Trader has been just doing unbelievably well. And so it had a net equity of $1,300. In the room for the last 2 days, we made $1,000 yesterday, a little over 400 today, 1,400 bucks, with 7 winners and 2 losers. With one of the losers we had on, one loser was -4 and one loser was -2. Really just 2 scratch losers. So the last 2 days we kind of cleaned up, and that's what we intend to do next week. So again, I invite everybody into the trading room. Come on in for a free trial. We welcome you in. We've got a lot of people in on a trial. Sign up for a free trial. You can go to www.rightlinetrading.com. You can see our daily debt equity. We have a link for our our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity on the auto trader, and there's a link there for a sign up for our live trading room. So listen, everyone, have a great weekend. We closed out the week strong. We had a drawdown day on a day where our direct entry software malfunctioned. It cost us a lot, but you know what? I posted it because I don't want to. I want to be totally transparent with what we do, and that means if we have a rough day, even if it's due to software malfunction, we are going to post it anyway. So listen, everyone, have a wonderful weekend, and again, I invite everybody into the room. Thank you.